Hello guys, welcome to Both Ways Crypto Trading YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing my technical analysis about the Bitcoin and overall market conditions. But before I go into details, I request all of you to subscribe this channel, like this video, and hit the bell notification icon to get updated regularly. And you may find some great opportunities by doing so. Alright, current BTC price structure looks quite positive, although we have got rejection from the 70k region 2 times after we hit the 72k region. But still, the momentum is up, trend is up. And about the market conditions, I don't see any big or big event or important economic data in the coming week. So this is one of the reasons I see a seamless positive week, positive in a sense of trading, less risky coming week. So, but of course, as you know, whatever we say, but risk is always there when you're trading in crypto. But still, we try to manage the risk and we try to find the best and safest possible trade for you guys. All right, so as you can see here, I mentioned range highs here, and this is range lows. Okay, we are still pretty much under the range, the same range as we are from last 1 month. Okay, more or less 1 month. As you can see, in our previous projections in last 2 weeks, we mentioned again and again that there are liquidations from 69k to 73k, which BTC will try to grab, which it did, and all our targets successfully hit from 69k to 72k. But still, now as we see, as I mentioned here, we still have some liquidations left up there from 72k, this from 72k to 73 to 300 range. So I still believe BTC would go to grab those liquidations there. So what are the probabilities? The first probability is that Bitcoin would go towards those upside liquidations to grab them all. That means it may go to 73 or above that. Second probability, like always, in case of rejection again and again from the same region, we might see Bitcoin going to the range lows, okay, which is around 60k. But I see very less chances for this to happen. So we'll talk about the first probability because we see 90% chances of that to happen. So how it can and why we see 90% chances, because in last whole week what we saw is that BTC is holding 4-hour 50 EMA, which is around 67k region. BTC is holding that region very well, and again it got back up from that level of 67k. And so this is one sign. And secondly, we still did not hit the range highs completely, like 73k, which is a range high. Why we are saying range highs? See, previously, because see this one here and here. Now this point and this one, first two circles which I made, this one and this one, 2 times before in last month, BTC went there around exactly 73k range and then got rejected again, like from here, rejected again, it went there, again rejected, right, like again it went there, and now it's here. Okay, so that's why this top line around 73k is the range high. Okay, so once BTC crosses that range, then it will form a new range. We'll talk about that range once it is formed, but currently this is the range. Okay, high to low, as we mentioned. So all right, let me first remove this drawing. Okay, let me clear these. Okay. So what what I'm projecting here is if BTC to go to grab those leftover liquidations there, which is more likely, then I expect I now this here, which we mentioned, we have a little liquidity around here, which is exactly below 4-hour 50 MA, around 67, around like 66,800 to 67,400, 500 region. I expect BTC to retest this region before it goes to grab the upside liquidations around 73K. So the trade probability is I would favor long if BTC comes to that region, this one, around like this one, around 67,000. If it comes there, if we get a retest here, and if it holds, and by holding, how you would analyze that it's holding there or not? At least 3-4 candles in 1 hour chart, you should see a closing above 67. Then I would favor long, and I might open a long position from here, and then I would target the range highs around 73K. There we see two reasons for BTC to go to 73K now. One is we have a leftover liquidations there, and second, this is the range highs as well, which is not being hit even in last pump. So there are more reasons for BTC to go there. Now, what is the invalidation? Invalidation is if BTC don't hold this area. After grabbing this liquidity, it should go back up. If it doesn't hold this area, let's say the region 66 to 67, meaning, and especially 67,000, if you see 4-5 candles on daily chart and 2-3 candles on 4-hour chart closing below that area like this, okay, then it will be a sign that we are going lower. Then there will be more chances for BTC to go lower. And when it's going lower, the first resistance, or sorry, the support it should find is around 1-hour 50 MA, which is around 64,800 to 65,000, and then to 63,000, 62,000 range. So in that case, if I have an open long position around 67,000, and if I see Bitcoin is closing some candles below 67,000 back to back, I will close my long and I will close my trade, and we'll look for another opportunity. But right now, this looks like the probability. Okay, let me make a more precise charting for you. Just wait. Let me first remove this. All right, let me clear this. Okay. All right. Okay. So. All right. Let me get a curve line, curve path. Okay. So we are here. Right now, currently we are here. From here, I expect BTC to, okay, like this, like this, like this, then come to grab this liquidity area, and then from here, I expect BTC to go to range highs. This is a projection I'm making. This is what I'm expecting. Okay. Now, if we come to this area, just a minute. Okay. Okay. Now, this range, if I come here, if I see Bitcoin holding here, then I will open a long position, and I would be targeting 73K. Simple. All right. And if I see it's not holding this area, I already told you how to identify this thing. Then I will close my long position. I'll be out. All right. So this is a projection for the coming week, and why I see Bitcoin to go higher, because we don't have any important economic data in the coming week or any sort of that event which looks threatening. So that's why this projection looks more likely. All right. Thank you very much. But don't subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell notification icon. Thank you.